Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator Program Cohort 2. So, as you all know, that the new cohort will start from 4th of August at 5 p.m. So, we have 1 day, 22 hours, and 37 minutes, and seconds counting. All right, so now let's deep dive into the information. So, the number one is that you will have to ensure that you are signed into a Google account and you have your own public profile URL. How will you get this URL? Is you can click in here and you can create an account and then you will get the public profile URL in these settings. Also, if you have any other account which you used in the previous cohort, please try to make a new one because that would be great. Then comes the games and trivia because this is the first come first serve basis. There are limited seats for it. So as soon as you get the trivia and games, just try to complete them. Now about the program timeline, it's from 4th of August at 5 p.m. to 6th of August 2025. All right, so this is the time which you will be having to register and get your credits done. Now you will receive your credits email after 24 to 48 hours of the registration and you will get free credits passes. All right. Now let's move on to the syllabus. All right. So what does the syllabus contain? It contains arcade points. You need to get some arcade points to get these swags and goodies. So every month we will release six new arcade games and then you will earn arcade points out of it. You they'll be having base camp, certificate zone camp and special one also. So there'll be these arcade games which you will be able to access in the arcade website. You'll be given the access code also here, which you can access by which you can access this particular games. Now come the arcade trivia games. So there will be four new trivia games on weekly basis. This is for every month, and same the access code will be provided then only. Okay, and there will be some lab free courses which you will need to do. So now let's move to the point system. For point system, for one game badge, you get 1 point. For trivia, if you complete one trivia, you get one arcade point. If you complete two skill badges, you get one arcade points, and that goes on. Now, let's move on to the very interesting part, which is the user milestone and prizes. So, once you complete any of the six arcade games and five trivia games and 14 skill badges or any six provided lab free courses, this will be your prizes. So you can see the price counter which is here. Accordingly, you will get the swags and goodies. Now let's move on to the arcade website. What does the arcade website say? Here you will be getting new games to play every week, and by completing them, you will be able to get the points. Now I'll be sharing a referral code with you in some time, which you can see here on the screen as well. And on 4th of August, you will have to register using that referral link. Okay, see you then. We'll be soon creating a video for the registration and getting the free credit scores. Thank you so much.